This video explains how to buy shares of Light & Wonder Inc., a company that develops gaming machines and digital casino content, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker LNWO. This is educational only and not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a regulated broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you register, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LNWO to locate Light & Wonder Inc. Check the results carefully to ensure you select the NASDAQ-listed stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and LNWO ticker to make sure it's the correct listing. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the platform may queue the order or execute at market open, and if you lack funds, you will be prompted to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.